Doesn't always work out the way you think they should. You know about that.
Wait, that's weird.
But your dad.
I don't know. I want friends. I want both. I don't know. I want Billy on the Benz. I want both. I don't know. Glocky on FN. I want both.
What's up, Bully World? What's up, Bully World? Shaq with Sky Kills back with another video to y'all, man. These pups say 2 weeks. It's a 2 week update. Well, they'll be 2 weeks tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna get this video to y'all today. We go ahead and get a weight on them, and I'm gonna give y'all another close look up to them, man. But I'm gonna just tell y'all first, man. I think these the best pups yet, man. This the best litter we had yet. Can't wait to see the maturity of these pups, man. I just can't wait. These pups is already like. These some big pups for 2 weeks already. Like they compact, but I just know like the weight and the girthiness on them and the head pieces, shit looking different, man. Cause before this litter, I would have said the first litter, Hublot and Grizzy, that was the best litter. You know what I'm saying? The first litter was the best. But I'm even looking at these puppies and they looking like they got a little something different than that Hublot litter. Just let that sit on your mental. You hear me? Y'all remember him? This was that clone boy. That twin, you see his eyes opening a little bit. The eyes almost open. You see him? Look at the thickness on this boy though, man. The thickness on this boy. Not even 2 weeks yet. Look, come on, man. Look at the dome on him. Kobe threw that head all the way around. Look at the dome on this boy. Not even 2 weeks yet. Barely 2 weeks. Well, 2 weeks tomorrow, like I said. But bro, some chunky pups for 2 weeks. Look at this, man. They very active too. They walking. You know what I'm saying? They ain't scooting, they ain't swimming, they walking. This male number one. Look at this boy. We ain't gonna make this video too long. We just gonna let y'all see what's up. That number gonna be below. Let us know what you interested in. This is male number one. See what's going on. Full tail with the white tip. Got a little chocolate looking coat. Chocolate brindle, got a little chocolate brindle going on. He got the full white head, only one that look like this. Tap in. Let's get a weight on this boy. That boy coming in at 1.8. Y'all remember last video, last week, my man was a 1.2. My man was a 1.2, now my man 1.8. Come on, shorty. Whole pound, for real. Who we got? Put that down, my man 1.8. Then we got big cuz. This him right here. It's that big boy right here. Look at that noggin on him. Look at that noggin. Look at that headpiece on this boy. You see, he was the first one I had my eyes open. First one. Look at this boy, man. Look at the noggin for 2 weeks, shorty. Look at the structure. You can see the definition, the muscle definition. You can see it. You can see it. Better tap in while you can, man. They ain't gonna last long. Sable with the white neck. My man got the big white patch in the middle of his face. He got a twin, but his twin spoken for. I told y'all my brother was grabbing one. He made his pick yesterday. I'm gonna show y'all him in a minute. But this him, this the big boy right here. Sable male, tap in, with white face. Sable white face. Look at him, Come on, man. We're gonna show everybody the structure. Come on, everybody got it. Come on, everybody got it. Tap in, baby. See the compactness. On him. Come on, man. Come on, you see it. Come on. I'm gonna put you back. Relax. I'm in a flat 2 pounds. Enough. All right, this the one right here that's spoken for already. He was just grubbing. already. I'm gonna go put him back on the nibble. This the one he already spoken for. He's spoken for. You see, he kind of looks similar, but he a little more compact, and the white on his face is skinny and it's split all the way down the middle, straight line down the middle. But he's spoken for though. This pup is not available. This male was not available. He's already spoken for. So I'm gonna show y'all what he working with though. You see what's going on. Look at the short and stubbies on him. Look at the short and stubbies on that boy. Come on. Everything official over here. We ain't playing no games with you. Tap in. It's the best litter yet. Tap in. You would hate to miss out on this one. Come be a part of greatness. Come be a part of this journey, man. Come be a part of this journey. Come on. Look at that. Eyes open. Come on. They 2 weeks tomorrow. I'm at 1.8. I'm at 1.8. You see the consistency? I'm gonna show y'all though. It's both of these boys together. Look at the twins. I'm gonna show y'all together. Come on, man. Look at this. Twinski. Come on, man. Look at the consistency, bro. The consistency is crazy. Come on. This one is spoken for. This one's available. Tap in. You got Chew over here, my boy. Where you at? This you making noise. This you making the noise, ain't it? Yeah. That's him right here. Mr. Black Mask. Look at this boy. Look at the noggin on him. Jesus Christ. Tap in. Definitely gonna get these pups a wash down, a wipe down. You know what I'm saying? I got my bucket with the soapy Dawn in there. There's some Dawn in there. I'm gonna wipe them off after they done eating. But look at this boy, man. I have my eye on this boy too. I got my eye on him. Look at this boy. This boy is solid. I'm telling you. I could tell. You gonna see when I put him on that scale. Look at this boy though, man. That man got the sweet markings on the back. That man got the zigzag white neck. That man got the zigzag. You see what's going on? The split. With the white mask, with the black mask. With the black mask going on. Sheesh. Okay. And he very vocal too. You see he got the freckle nose. Big freckle nose. Very unique pup. Tap in. This is a male. We got one more male to show y'all. He's available. Tap in. He's okay, boy. He's okay. I told y'all. I could tell. My man 2.1 pounds. He 2.1. Look at this boy, man. Tap in. Don't miss out on the opportunity. We're not busting your head. But you see, this is quality though. This is definitely quality. We got little baked potatoes loading over here. Tap in. Alright, this is not the last but not least. This the last male. And I think we gonna hold on to him. It ain't for sure. But I'm feeling like we gonna hold on to this boy until we see what's going on. If you want him, holler at me. If the price is right, you can grab him. But y'all see what's going on with him. You see it. Look at this big old noggin on him. I see what's going on with this papa. With this big sucker. You see what's going on with this big jacker. Look at this big jacker. This big linebacker. Roquan Smith, Ray Lewis. Come on, man. Khalil Mack. He giving Khalil Mack. Roquan Smith. Come on, man. He giving James Harrison. You feel me? Look at this boy, man. My man got the tan/orange brindle underneath. It ain't come fully in, but you can see it. You can see if I get up close on the head. You see the head piece. He got the. You would think he dirty, but nah, he got the orange tint underneath. But look at this boy, man. This boy a load. This boy a unit. This boy is definitely a unit. I got 2 females to show y'all. But this boy is a unit. It's the last male. Like I said, he probably gonna stay here, Sky High Kennels, but you could tap in and talk to us so we could work something out. Let us know what you interested in. Go ahead and get this big boy on the scale though. Everything full tail, shorty. I'll tell you, come on, man. First of all, look at the chubbiness in the hind legs. Look at the rear already. Look at this man rear already. Look at the rear. Come on, man. Look at the rear on him. Look at the rear. Look at the rear on this boy already. Come on. Come on, let me get a weight on him. Okay. 2.1 pounds, I told you, a unit. Now we're gonna do the females. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. There's a female right here. Look at that. Nice headpiece on her, very compact. Very compact. Look at her in my hand. Look at her in my hand, very compact. Very compact. Look at that. Come on. Look at that. Very compact. Come on, man. You can damn near see the top line already. Come on, man. Tap in. Look at her. Look how compact this girl is, boy. Jesus Christ. Like I said, you might be holding on to that male, but don't think we won't snag a female and keep it pushing. You hear me? But tap in. Get with us. Look at this girl, man. Sable female. Sable female. And the other female is, she got the black mask. So it's a sable female and a black mask female. That's it. So if you want her, holler at us. This is a sable female. Short tail. Short tail. I mean, full tail, full tail, full tail. Come on. Tap in. She 1.7. 1.7. Last but not least, it's that female with the black mask. You see what's going on. You see what's going on. Black mask female. See it? Black mask. Mm-hmm. They all got the structure. Come on. They all got the structure. Come on, girl. Clean your belly out. Come on. Get a dilly out. In a Philly yo, with Tilly, my millie yo. In a Billy yo, and tuck at your belly yo. Hit a stilly yo, when I get in your belly yo. Hit a silly yo, when I'm rubbing your belly yo. It's okay, I'm rubbing your belly yo. It's okay, mama, I'm rubbing your belly yo. In the belly yo, just hit my celly yo. You can call me number, you can turn in the deli yo. I'm rubbing your belly, yo. It's okay, yo. Look at that girl, though. Woo! Lord have mercy, man. You see the definition, the structure. Come on, man. Tap in. Tap in. We call her Raccoon. Raccoon. Look at the face on her. She got that raccoon mask. She's a bandit. Mm-hmm. Everything full tail, shorty. Come on. Tap in. Female. Okay. She's 2 pounds. This girl right here, 2 pounds. She's available. Tap in. Come on, man. You gotta jot that down. Keep everything jotted down, boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and like I said, they officially 2 weeks tomorrow. I'm gonna give y'all this video today. I'm not gonna get the deworming in the video, but I'm gonna deworm them tomorrow. I'm gonna deworm gelato also. But yeah, I'm about to let them munch a little bit. And like I said, I'm about to go ahead and hit them with the Dawn and the water. Some Dawn and some water, wipe them off after they eat, and go ahead and let them go to rest, man. Let them lay it down. But like I said, I feel like this it's a long time coming, man. It's about 3 years in the making for this little. About 3 years in the making. Kobe be 4 years. He be 4 years old this year, It's his first time being bred, and he had the money like this. You know what I'm saying? You can't rush greatness. I've been told that since a kid. You cannot rush greatness. Slow and steady wins the race every single time, my boy. So with that being said, we here now. What Deion saying to say? We here. Believe we here. Like I said, so man, this litter right here, top notch, next level. I feel in my heart this is the best litter we produced so far, and we got more to come. So tap in. That number gonna be at the bottom. Yes, sir. I'm saying, just look at these pups, man. Look at the quality of these pups, bro. I'm just so thankful and so grateful. We so blessed. We so blessed. Look at the head on this boy, man. You serious? 2 weeks? Look at the bone. Look at the bone, man. Like I said, it's 2 times Rocco meets the bone doctor, Meat Line Debo, old school Razor's Edge, man. Look at the bone on these pups. Stop playing around. Just short back. Come on, man. It's just gonna get bone, dome, and short backs. Compactness, man. Just grateful, man. It's such a blessing, such a blessing, such a blessing. Such a blessing, man. Sky High Kennels first in-house on the ground. This is one for the books, my boy. This is definitely one for the books. Definitely one for the books. It's definitely one for the books. My man popping is crazy. No, what you doing? Say. Come on. My man popping like every week. This shit getting crazy, man. Look at my man, bro. Every week, shit getting serious over here, boy. Stay. 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 Stay.